Hi everyone, and welcome back to Faith and Flour. I'm Robin, and in today's video, I've got some everyday cleaning motivation for you. I don't know about you, but I rarely clean our home all in one day, so I like to break things up. I do have a weekly cleaning routine to help me out with that, but most of my days just consist of work and getting various things done and cleaning sprinkled throughout. So today I'm here to give you some everyday cleaning motivation to help you get your tasks done for today. I'm starting off in the laundry room unpacking my Grove Collaborative order, and I know a lot of you are fans, so I thought I'd show you my mini haul. And I of course need to stock up on hand soap, and I'm totally in love with this cherry blossom scent. And I got a free Mrs. Meyer's room spray in my order. It's in the Iowa pine, so I'll probably save that for next winter. And then I got some of their tub and tile cleaner. I'm out of my ingredients for my DIY cleaner. This one is so convenient. I've used it before, and this orange and rosemary scent is amazing. It comes in 2 concentrated vials, and you just add one of them to one of the glass spray bottles that I also get at Grove Collaborative and fill it the rest of the way with water. So it's very concentrated. I like the minimal packaging, and like I said, it does a great job. So I'm using that again currently. And I also stocked up a little bit on the Grove Collaborative's liquid laundry detergent. I have really been enjoying this, and I know a lot of you guys are going to ask if I'm still using my DIY detergent. Yes, I'm using that. I just like to switch it up once in a while. And I like these dispensers that you can pour them into. They dispense just the right amount you need for each load, which is very little. And the little silicone bottoms can be interchanged, so I know which one's which. I also got a bottle of the Mrs. Meyer's fabric softener in the honeysuckle scent. I love this. It is my favorite, especially this time of year in spring and early summer. There's nothing like it. And then I recently switched over from the Mrs. Meyer's dishwasher detergent packs, which I love, to the Grove Collaborative ones. They seem to work just as well, and they are cheaper. Plus, this lemon eucalyptus mint scent is heavenly. I have been ordering from the Grove for a very long time, and I am a huge fan, so I always have a link in my description box for you guys so that you can choose a 5-piece free gift set with your first $20 order. And I'm finding that I love them even more now. During the lockdowns, I don't have to venture out. I can get all of my favorite products delivered right to my door. Before I leave the laundry room, I'm going to do some quick ironing and steaming. With everybody home, it has been really funny trying to get things accomplished because everybody's got a different meeting on Zoom and they need quiet in the house. So getting my cleaning done has gotten a little bit tricky. So when I know someone needs quiet, I just try to pick some quiet activities, and ironing is definitely a quiet activity that I can do, and I find it really enjoyable actually. Mostly what I have to iron today are just some cloth napkins and some cloth dish towels. And it's not necessary for me to iron these things, but I actually enjoy doing it. I just find it super satisfying. It's an easy job. I can do anything from watching a YouTube video to listening to a podcast or music, or just think about whatever I like. And then when I go to set the table with the napkins or pull out a fresh dish towel, they look perfect. And I just love those little extra things that I can do, and it's probably only me that appreciates it, but I do find it satisfying. this is the current state of the kitchen. Peyton has got a few boxes from his program at Big, and he's going to be doing some soap making here at home. So those supplies are out on the counter. I've got dishes that need to be cleaned in the sink, ones that are dry and need to be put away on the counter. So I'm just going to tackle all of this real quick. As I said earlier, while we are here on lockdown, we are dealing with new issues like trying to keep everyone quiet while someone's in a meeting on their laptop or on their computer. So I can't do things like run the vacuum anytime I want, but cleaning the bathrooms is something that is pretty quiet and removed from the main living areas. So I'm going to get busy in the guest bathroom and in the master bathroom today. Kyle actually had to use the guest bathroom for about a week. We thought we might have a leak up in his bathroom, and fortunately it turned out not to be the case. So he's returned back up there, and I'm going to just quickly return this bathroom to guest status and I'm starting with cleaning the toilet. My favorite product for the inside of the toilet is the Method Anti-Bac Toilet Cleaner, and I get that one from the Grove as well. And for the outside, I usually use my DIY disinfectant cleaner, but I'm running out of that, and the ingredients for it aren't that easy to find. So I'm probably going to switch back to something like one of the Method products for cleaning the outside, and I just use a paper towel so that I can toss it in the trash. And for mirrors, sinks, and countertops, I like using a microfiber cloth from eCloth. And you'll see how I dry the mirror with a window or glass polishing cloth, also from eCloth. That is a really great way to get a nice streak-free shine, and I don't even need any products. The microfibers trap 99% of dirt and bacteria. They are not antiviral, so if you need to disinfect something because of the COVID-19 virus, then I would definitely recommend using something else that does kill viruses. But for your daily cleaning, this is great. And you know, in our bathroom, we don't have anybody coming and going except us. And if we're out, we usually wash our hands when we come back inside in the laundry room. So in those areas, I'm being really careful about how I clean, but it's business as usual everywhere else around the house. In our master bathroom, I'm going to do a quick tidy up before I start cleaning. This chair is always the catch-all for our clothes, and so this is usually the first step every time I'm cleaning in here. On our tub, I'm using the Grove Collaborative tub and tile cleaner that I showed you earlier in the video, and you can see the glass bottle that I mix it in. And this really is probably my favorite product. I think it even works better than my DIY cleaner on this tub. This is an acrylic tub, and it's really tricky. You can't use certain products on it, and then other products just aren't that effective on it. It tends to get a buildup a lot faster than like an enameled cast iron tub, but I love this tub, and it's just the price I have to pay. So I just spray it down, let it sit a little bit, and then I use a magic eraser, and I cut my magic erasers in half. It definitely makes them last a lot longer, but also the smaller size I actually like using better. So the bathrooms are finished except for the showers, and I like to do those when I'm in them. I know a lot of you agree, so those will get done later. And the floors are going to wait until tomorrow as well, because I have another project that I want to do tonight. And yeah, just like everyone else, we need haircuts around here. And because I'm not a professional hairstylist, and by the way, if you are, I apologize, I'm probably doing it all wrong, but my thinking is it would be better to just trim a tiny bit more often and just sort of maintain the haircuts that the guys already have instead of needing to do something more drastic. So anyway, there's going to be hair on the floor, and that's why I'm not going to bother with the floors until tomorrow. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. I hope that it gave you some everyday cleaning and homekeeping inspiration and motivation. If you are new to Faith and Flour, I want to invite you to subscribe. It's absolutely free and easy, and if you activate the bell icon, you'll get a notification each time I upload a new video so you don't miss out on anything. Thank you guys so much for spending your time with me today. I look forward to seeing you in the comments and in the next video. Have a wonderful week.